Hi everyone. This is part 7 of Team 3176's series on standard software installs for the 2023 season. Today we're going to be doing the DiffMerge tool. So as always, we open our favorite browser. And if you go to char 3176 again, and you click on the standard team software installs, let me go ahead and turn off my ad blocker. Okay, there we go. You want to scroll down to the header that says Diff Tools, and I know there are two tools here. We've found over time that DiffMerge seems to be the easier one for students to use, so I want you to click on DiffMerge. And that's going to take you to the DiffMerge site. And you just click on this blue download button here. You're then going to be presented with several options, and you want to pick the version of DiffMerge for your OS, all right? It's Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, and Fedora, even though it's Fedora 17, which is pretty old. Ubuntu 12.04 is pretty old as well. But everybody should be using Windows primarily, unless you really know what you're doing. So I recommend just picking this top one, DiffMerge 4.2.0 Windows Installer 64-bit. Let that download. It should be very, very fast. Then open your File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder. Now you'll notice this is a .msi file. That's called a Microsoft install file. Or, I'm sorry, what did it say? Windows installer package. Ooh, okay. The MSI files, you still see them around sometimes. They were developed by Microsoft, I believe in the 2000s, roughly. And yeah, it's literally just a package to install on DiffMerge. It's the equivalent of like a RPM or a DEB file on Linux. On Mac, it would be the equivalent of, I guess, a PKG file. I think Mac still uses that. So double click on that. And that's going to open this install window. So click next. Click the I accept the terms of the license agreement, and then click next. And there's not a whole lot to do here. Nothing to click, no choices to really make. Just click on next again, and then click on install. It's going to ask you for elevated permissions. Just click yes. And then click finish. And that's it. That's the entire install process. You'll see it's installed the DiffMerge icon on your desktop. I mean, you can double click that and you'll get this interface. We will look at this more later when we actually learn how to do diffs, but for now I don't really have to worry about it, so let's just close that. And we can close that tab. And in our next installment, we'll be installing Git in part 8. All right. See you guys later.